Yeah, we are live.
Yeah. So here we are back here again at College Canteen.
Yeah.
Hi
Hello everyone.
everyone.
Yeah.
Hello
Hello.
everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hey.
And like yesterday, we are having our guest Amit Aryan today with us also. So,
Yeah.
what will we discuss, Rishabh, today?
Let's discuss about the memory.
Okay.
How your
So,
memory is strong and what is the pro and cons of the strong memory.
yeah. So I am starting. Okay. Followed by Aditya,
Okay.
Rishabh, and then Amit.
Yeah.
Amit will speak.
Continue.
Okay. So that will maintain the flow. Okay.
Yeah.
So, whatever is coming in my mind as soon as I hear memory, I'm discussing about that thing. Memory is just the what we say the level of retention and what we do in our brain. Okay, but actually, in spite of thinking like that, in our surrounding, I don't think that sorry, in our surrounding and in this world, memory is considered to one of the like what genius factor or something like people having great memories are intelligent or something like they can recall the things but things are not actually like that. There are people who are excellent in forgetting but who are genius also.
Just like
Just like
Albert Einstein.
yeah, Albert Einstein, he was a best forgetter, I can say. Okay, but
Yeah.
but
He always forget everything.
yeah, but as soon as I hear the word memory, I two things come in my mind. One is the memory and SD cards and etc. used in
Computers.
computers,
Yeah.
and
Right.
second is this the memory and comparison with the intelligence. So that thing is coming in my mind, and later on, let's discuss 1 to 2 points of our own. Then we will go deep down into the topic and all. Over to Aditya.
Okay, so for memory, yeah, like you said, again, basically the first thing that came into my mind was the brain, obviously. Like we have our individual memory, and after that, obviously the computer systems, the electronics,
Yeah,
and there's the other memory. So memory, yeah, it's basically, you're storing something. That's memory. It's a physical state of something, representation of the physical state of anything. It's memory, I think. It could be in the computers also. It could be a brain. Like in brain, you have the different chemicals, or the electrons or something. Electricity or flow of charges.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
These forms of memory, and the computers also the same thing happens. Like flow of electron and these ladder transistors and all thing. So this forms memory.
Okay. So, what do you think, Rishabh,
I
about
think
the memory?
memory is a collection of your bad and good experience.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is the whole collection of what we do, what we think, what we learn, what we listen, talk, and speak, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's a very strong pro and cons of the strong memory and weak memory. Both
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
same thing, but as a psychology Indian, it is said that the strong memory is a sign of the
Intelligence.
intelligent brain,
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
but it's not exact true
It's true.
because
Yeah.
It's true
uh,
until class eighth only.
yeah. Yeah, weak memory have also advantage and disadvantage, and a strong memory have also a
Okay.
advantage and disadvantage.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And Amit,
Yeah, Amit,
Okay.
what do you think?
I think human memory and we can say computer memory is complete different thing. Uh, Human memory is like a collection of our bad and bad good thing. Actually, 99% people have same human memory. It's depend on how much we have used.
Okay.
Because yeah, uh, You can continue if
Okay,
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
so I am having some. So I just searched, inspired by Rishabh. What are the advantages and disadvantages of having extremely good and extremely bad memories? There are two states of mind, or we can say disease of brain or memory. First is called hyperthymesia. Okay, so
Hyperthyroidism.
okay, so what actually happens in hyperthymesia is you can't forget anything. Yeah, you just
However,
become.
how it could be
oh,
a disease.
Yeah, it is disease
it
because
is disease.
you
It
can't
is
forget
disease. Yeah.
Yeah,
you can't forget your
yeah.
painful memories. You can't defend.
The
You
bad
can't
experience.
bad.
You have to move
Forget your.
from the bad
Yeah,
experience and
yeah.
failure.
Every time, everything, whatever data is coming to your mind, it is fresh as what we say, whatever in our mind. So how you could be okay all the time? Okay, so you want to sleep, but continuously things are striking in your mind, good memories, old memories, and everything is coming in a like a
Yeah.
river and all. So that's a very painful situation. You can't forget anything, and
Yeah. Yeah.
people can't
What's
advise
that?
that भूल जाओ और आगे बढ़. It's
What's it?
hyperthymesia. Okay,
Thymesia.
and
Okay.
another is where people forgets. It's called amnesia. You
Amnesia.
must have been listened about this thing, amnesia, where you lose existing and previously made memories and all. So that is the thing, and there are so many disease we
Uh,
hear about, Alzheimer and all. People suffer
Alzheimer.
that thing in their old age time. So
Old ages. Right.
so those are the things. Like Alzheimer is okay if you have someone to take care. Okay, you could there should be things that could be taken care of when you forget. But this disease hyperthymesia, when you remember everything, is a hell lot of whatever we can say. No one can help you.
yeah.
Right.
I think memory is a main reason of the depression. I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That's a really
Oh,
good point.
one of the reasons, because you can
Yeah,
forget, but just not forgetting is not the thing. Depression is a way bigger topic than we think and we discuss about, because
yeah,
just got to know, because you could be discussed about nothing. You could be what we say, get what depressed about doing nothing, or having no thing to no bad memories or something, but you could be depressed about things.
Right.
Yes,
yeah.
sometimes.
Uh,
So, yeah.
then
So
what's you think about it? The strong memory in childhood?
yeah,
Strong
what
memory in childhood.
I mean, what you think?
Mhm.
It's good that we have a strong memory in childhood or bad?
yeah,
Just because,
good memory in childhood and whatever, it's good sign. Actually, it's a healthier sign. Like if you are having a good memory, then I think like your brain state is actually correct. Like it is made for that thing only. Brain is made for retrieving data and retrieving all the information. You remember, in a up to a healthier extent, like at minimum and barely maximum level. If you fall in that range, then it's good.
Okay. I think I have a question. Like we have a measurement. Like we have one unit in our the physical memory that we have, the electronics. Like we can say that this is 10 MB of size, and this is we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
some different size, appropriate size to
yeah, yeah, yeah.
the storage of this memory. So, what do you guys think? Like, how far we can store data in our mind? Like, if we consider some data in our mind similar to that MBs and KBs in computers,
Yeah.
so how far we can store things like that in our mind? What do
Yeah,
you think?
it's a very huge number. It's a
Yeah.
if we
yeah,
will
we
talk
can.
about GB or something, if we will consider in that range in GB, so I think that
But
It,
what are
yeah, but
it
still
is
there's a difference.
it
Like,
is far for GB.
definitely it will be exact era. I don't know billions of
yeah,
Yeah.
millions,
billions
millions
of
or billions of
Pegam.
digits, right?
gigabytes.
But
Yeah.
there's a difference. There's a catch. Like in computer systems, there is very little possibility of losing a memory. Like only there is only two parts. Either you can delete it yourself manually. That's one thing. Or if there is a like temperature or heat thing happened, like they are uh, distracted by these things. But in our case, like we constantly lose memories as we like with respect to this movie Inside Out. So there's balls of memory. So constantly these balls, we get it duplicates. Like we lose one ball or many millions of balls in every second or minute,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
this constantly happens. So what do you think? Like, is it are we less running low on storage, or is it just we are not getting low on? What do you think?
Oh, we can save a lot of memory in brain, but finding out the location of that one is difficult.
Yeah,
Sometimes we remember the any incident of standard 10th, but it take time to recognize that part.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
first
Exactly.
thing. And second thing about the cache memory of the human. I think while, while preparing the exam,
Whoa,
we,
Yeah,
we
that's
have to
cash.
stock that cache memory.
That's
it's it's
totally
it's
uncash.
fact.
Like
It's fact.
too fast.
Yeah,
So
Yeah, this is the perfect example, I think.
yeah, yeah, it's
yeah,
perfect.
Yeah.
So what I think about Aditya's point is, like our mind is so what complex. The algorithm of working and finding the memory walls and finding what is important, what is not, segregating what is more important, what is less important. Everything is
At the
well
same time.
structured. Like your memory is related with some another thing, then you will remember that thing. You can't remember just the facts and figures. Okay, but
Right.
one of the most important thing in our memories, it has to be a huge number of storage, na? Because the continuously your cameras are working, your mics and receptors and everything is working. Whatever
and
I'm saying,
searching for
yeah, whatever
yeah,
whatever I'm saying to you now, like it's stored in that way. But someday something will happen and you will recall this thing. You
Yeah.
can't forget these things, because I don't think
This.
that there is something like forgetting and all. But if that data gets repeated and repeated, like it just get copied for one time in our brain. It's not just like copied on another layer and another layer,
Mhm.
and it becomes a,
Actually, hmm, actually, we remember the actual path, but not the exact
yeah, yeah,
memory.
yeah,
We just
yeah,
remember we just backtrack those things.
yeah,
Like, yeah, we are thinking of, like, we have to move to final point C. So we will think about how I got to A, then
yeah.
how I got to B, then finally the C.
yeah. And
So this is how it
experiences,
goes.
and we actually remember the experiences more than anything.
Yeah,
So
right.
experiences are the major unit in which the things are stored in our brain. So what do you think about the storage and algorithm and memory walls and sort of things in our
Like
brain?
one more thing. Yeah, one more thing. Like you said, we have cameras and mic continuously running on. We have one more thing, very important thing. Like we can store smells also.
Yeah, smell, senses, touch, and everything.
Yeah.
Computer touch and smells also, but
Yeah,
computers can't do that. So we have two more extra
That is
features to
a
store.
unique thing for in human.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
And we also add
Smells. It is
our layers of understanding to that data. Okay.
yeah.
Uh, then what you think about that Elon Musk project Neuralink?
That will
That-
destroy.
Neuralink, yeah.
That will destroy the human race.
They are planning to put the microchip in a brain of human.
And advertisement in our brains.
Yeah, just like the movie of Prince, Vivek Oberoi.
Yeah, yeah,
Will not fall into the movie
Prince.
race. So what do you think
So
about
Neuralink.
this, Amit? Like memory and all, like memory walls and retrieving memory and something like that.
Retrieving memory. Uh, I think um, everything is stored in our memory. When we find something, then it is if I know, then it is a spontaneous outcomes any output which I find. If I forgot, then I try many times. But if I forgot, then it will not come.
Yeah. So that is,
Then
I think that is embedded in our brain. When you need the most, it will not come.
You have to check it. Like it's more highly prioritized thing. Will not
Yeah.
display it. There's a
Yeah.
logic between
if
the
any high priority thing, and then we will definitely remember it.
And what do you think, like the informations, like we learned this thing, hierarchy and all those things, ancestry kind of stuffs, like some features and some properties come from our parents and our ancestors and all. So that strand of DNA, okay. So how much information it carries inside it? I think like the one strand of DNA contains a hell lot of information that could untangle the whole humanity. So what do you think about that thing? Okay, so brain is all stuffs are okay, but those the what we say the main part and the ultimate part of that thing is DNA and all things. So what do you think about that?
I think body language.
So do you say body language comes from the DNA only?
We can say because some cases child like father.
Okay, okay, I got your point. Let me quote a fact that I just searched that DNA storage, like how much amount of storage is in the DNA. So I just got that density of information in a DNA is remarkable. Just 1 gram can store 215 petabytes of data.
Oh my
One
god.
one gram
that's
one
huge.
gram of DNA, okay, can contain that much amount of data. So just imagine that how like how much data is in
How
that.
efficiently,
I
how
can't
efficiently
imagine.
it's
I
stored.
can't.
I think
How
those are
efficiently
the
it
those
has
are the
stored.
server rooms and all. Like our brain is one of the important
Data
storage
server.
factor, and that DNAs are just they copy that thing and yeah, yeah, tum log abhi jao, like something. Then when we will need that, then that will be restored. I think one day we will be able to untangle the DNA and all. It is in the working now, like untangling the DNA and searching the code between that and all, like DNA programming and something like that.
Just to came out of palaces and things.
Yeah. So Rishabh got busy somewhere. Okay,
No,
I
no,
I don't think he's liking today's session of DNA and brain
no,
and
no. I
something
like
like
that,
that.
bro.
Uh, so let's talk about what we say. What are the okay? How much sleep? No, no, no. We will not go to sleep. We will go to forgetting part. How much forgetting is okay,
I was forgetting is okay.
and what to forget and what not to forget.
That thing we have to forget it, and let's move on.
Okay, so
I think you can forget the regular things like that happens daily. Like you don't
Yeah.
have to remember the brushing of your teeth, or you don't have to remember your bath. So you can just ignore these things if you can.
If
I think.
if we forget a regular thing, and then I will forget every moment, na, like bad or good,
No,
everything
no.
forget.
No, 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 not like
Bad
that.
and
I am
good
just.
experience is not a regular thing. It is just an incident of life.
once in a while thing.
Mhm.
Yeah. According to me, do not forget good and bad experience both,
Yeah,
because bad
bad
experience give
experiences
you
teaches you a lot and help.
teaches to
Hmm.
us very much, and it gives the strength to make right decision.
Yeah, and
Right.
I think like
And
bad experience are those experiences which makes us what we really are. Okay,
yeah,
so you
You
can't
always thought that.
because these feelings generate challenging and some sort
yeah,
of winning and desire comes from bad experiences. Good experiences just makes you slave of that.
Hmm.
I
if
I
we
will
agree with that.
if we forget the bad experience and good experience, then we are equally like a AI robot.
Computer, yeah,
Yeah,
robot,
yeah.
Yeah,
right.
just
And
like we are doing the same mistake regularly,
yeah, again and
repeated,
again.
That's it.
repeated more.
Right. So,
Yeah,
like I was saying, the dropping the bathing and these stuffs, like that. My context was like Akhil said that we have eyes to record these things. We have mic. So in that context, like we are regularly, we don't have to remember those things. As far as we remember those things, they will be like they will be stored. What should I say? They will be more frequently retrieved. Like they will be more closer to fetch those things. But if it's kept far away, like so that will be enough. Like we don't have to waste our storage on that those things,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
irrelevant
So
things.
I what I do sometimes is I start brushing with another hand just to get a new experience. Like when you do, yeah, I read that somewhere like you have to like change some things in your brain. Don't make your brain so much boring, like doing same thing repeatedly. So what we can do is doing the same things in a different way. Like
Okay.
brushing with left hand that will cause some of the trouble, and
yeah.
that will like pinch your brain to think more and how to do and all. You will start doing
Right.
like you will feel some strange thing like before you when you brush with your right hand you just don't feel like brushing. You can do anything whatever you want while brushing, but when you
Right.
do with
Right.
left hand you will think like the motion is
I
going
have to
wrong and
brush
all.
it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually, the here comes the muscle memory. The fact of muscle
yeah, yeah,
memory.
yeah,
Like when we,
Yeah,
if you are,
muscle memory is most important thing in our
yeah,
body language.
yeah,
yeah, yeah,
yeah. Sometimes. So when we are right, consider if you are a right-hander. So if you brush daily with your right hand, then it's muscle memory that works, but not your brain. So
yeah,
you don't have to think actually about brushing your teeth while you are using your right hand. But just like Akhil said, like if you change the hand, like if you are a right hander, if you change to left hand, then it will more into you have to think about brushing. And yeah,
Muscle memory for it is good example for like when we are eating, then our hand is automatically uh, go to our mouth.
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
we don't
yeah,
have to
yeah.
think about that, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Same thing, yeah. But when we go
Yeah,
to some of the hotel and all, some another kind of what spoon and something pops out, and we have to
Hmm.
focus on that. Earlier, but now
yeah,
it's a regular thing. Then we can't focus on that.
right.
Yeah, another
Yeah.
example is that we if we go any road regularly, then we can
Yeah,
also
yeah,
go
yeah, yeah.
in dark.
Yeah, obviously,
Mm-hmm.
obviously, yeah. You don't have to think of like you will walk while talking and like whatever the thing. But when
It's
we,
just like we remember the every header of road of GCU.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
What
Going to
is that?
college.
like yeah,
GCU.
here
Yeah,
will be we
you
are going to get a
automatically
pot.
decrease the speed of your bike. You automatically turn the
Automatically
bike.
increase.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we don't have
yeah,
to think about it. Yeah, we'll get another bumper in 2 minutes. So it will be just muscle memory. And in fact, talking about muscle memory, talking about that this brainstorming part, like changes the regular habits. Like you said about using left hand while brushing will cause to more think about it. So like I started almost 1 year of my life. Like I was in when I was in 12th standard, I used to write with my left hand
oh,
all the
nice.
letters of A B C D, even one two
Ah.
Yeah,
three,
I even
and
tried
yeah,
that. I even tried that. Okay.
and you don't believe it. Like my left handers handwriting is more beautiful than my right hand.
Nice, nice,
It's
nice.
amazing.
I'm
Yeah.
I've also tried, but it not work for my case.
No, but I
He practiced it
like
for a
practice.
consistent. He was consistent for a
Yeah,
year. So that
I
Yeah,
made
just
a
like
rough
Sachin
notebook.
Tendulkar is a left-hander
Right.
and he batted right-handing.
yeah.
Oh,
So you can embed whatever thing you want with practice. Like
mm,
you just have to train your muscles and all.
that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. So it's almost 25 minutes. So let's wrap up the thing. I
yeah,
think
Yeah,
things are. I don't think that we have derived so much of knowledge, but we have derived some kind of information from today by like DNA storage and all. So that's the
definitely.
learning for today. And
Yeah, that's a good session.
okay.
Yes,
So
yeah.
thank you
informative,
guys,
quite
and
informative. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
thank you
Thank you,
everyone.
Bye.
everyone.
Goodbye. Bye bye.